So I have the best wife ever because she knew I struggled at making big shirts using the small mini press. So she bought me this gigantic 15-inch press here. So I'm making her a shirt that says that she's the best wife ever. Now I've never used a press like this, so I'm assuming I still should use some parchment paper. If not, someone let me know in the comments. So let's see how this works out. It's digital, so I do have it set to the right temperature and time. Not sure if it tracks the time though. Let's see if it does anything at 15 seconds. It clicked, so let's see how it worked. Let's not tip the thing over. Don't think it's designed to be operated one-handed. Probably should have gotten my tripod out. Well, that did not stick. So I'll have to see what I did wrong and try this again. Okay, so I tried it again. You just heard the beep. I figured out if I hit that button, it actually starts counting down. So let's see if this worked, because I tried it again. Actually got the timer set, kept track of it. Now let's... Okay, so now it seems to be peeling off. Get it out from under there. Okay. So I probably just didn't have it on long enough. Oh no. Well, I will see if I can get that fixed. Wish me luck. But yeah, overall, works pretty cool, pretty good. Very happy with it. I'm gonna turn it off though. I'm gonna fix this shirt and then I'll be back once it's fixed. Luckily, I had actually cut one out earlier that was missing part of the top because I lined my vinyl up wrong. But this R was here. So now I'll just use my handy dandy xTool mini press to fix the mistake the big press made. Whatever. I'll fix it with this. I'll go over the whole thing with this and then show you the end result when it is finished. And there it is. Doesn't even look like we lost it. I just quickly went over the whole thing using my xTool mini press that I again got as a gift from xTool. But if you want to get the vinyl I used, the big heat press, or the xTool mini press, I'll have affiliate links to all of those in this video's description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.